MCM plant-based cutting fluid is the global leader in green cutting fluids, providing the best cutting fluids and rust preventive products to the metalworking industry that keep our words running.
Global commitment to excellence, made by MCM.
MCM plant-based cutting fluid company originates from Taiwan and focuses on the research, development and production of plant-based cutting fluids. We have set up a branch in Shanghai and a modern production base in Suzhou to provide services to international customers in China and are committed to the research and development of green raw materials. Our products are widely used around the world, whether it is precision small optical parts, rigorous medical technology, large structural parts in aerospace or mass parts production in the automotive industry. These industries have extremely high requirements for processing accuracy and efficiency, and our plant-based cutting fluids meet these needs perfectly. Our goal remains the same, to ensure continued customer satisfaction and to maintain their competitiveness in the industry. To achieve this goal, we continue to conduct research and development and innovation, constantly improve product potential, and seek optimization possibilities. We firmly believe that only through continuous improvement and progress can we meet the changing needs of our customers and help them stand out in the fiercely competitive market. Every customer of MCM is our most valuable asset, so we are committed to providing the highest quality service to ensure that every customer feels satisfied and trustful when using our products. We know that only by satisfying our customers can our business continue to develop and our products be more widely used around the world. As a leading company in the global plant-based metalworking fluid industry, we know that in the fiercely competitive market environment, proving production efficiency, economic benefits and processing quality are the key goals of every company. To achieve these goals, it is crucial to choose high-quality cutting fluid. MCM plant-based cutting fluid is your best choice. MCM cutting fluid, road to front runner.
I make the impossible possible. MCM Super.